Yellow, yellow, it's your girl Bella Sweet. We say check it out and don't left it out. Over here, say everything of that show. Remember to like, subscribe, comments, and share. Bless up to my viewers and my subscribers. Your girl Bella Sweet is in the building in my kitchen. And today, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to do Jamaican Sunday best. Yes, guys, the rice and peas, the fried chicken. But today my fried chicken is a little bit different. Bella, I gonna teach you how to do Barbie fried chicken and also show you how to make your own sauce, guys. The thing that happen from Bella Sweet, we say check it out and don't left it out. Let's get right into the meat at hand, guys. So over here I have my chicken, guys, and some people like the chicken in a clothes and some people like the chicken out of clothes. What I did, guys, I clean underneath the skin. So you see that slimy thing where you see? You take that out and then you use some vinegar to wash the chicken. I normally take the breast out of the clothes, you know, and then you wash with vinegar, and that's how I do my chicken, guys. So some have on clothes and some clothesless. Yeah, so this is it. See, even clean and pretty and no slime on the skin. That's it, clean and pretty. And like some me use a little vinegar for washing. See, clean like whisker. Sexy chicken, you know. Girl skin clean, chicken in skin clean and pretty. I know you all know this. Now me I go add some. Yes, guys. The easy spice this Jamaican chicken season. I mean now I don't need a lot of this because it's kind of a little bit salty, and then because I have my own natural blend go add, so I don't want to confuse the taste. But this easy spice thing, guys, it's really work. Still gonna take out the come out of the water. Yeah, this is good to go. Then I'm gonna add my own natural blend. So I'm gonna marinate this all in the magic bowl, guys, and then I'm gonna pour it on my chicken and let it simmer like for 20 minutes before I start to prepare my chicken. So I'm pouring my blended seasoning. See, not gonna use all. Make sure this all catch. This goes in more. Some thyme, garlic, scallion, some bell pepper, a little piece of ginger, and it all marinated. See, guys. So that's gonna simmer for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my Barbie fry. But let me show you guys what I'm going over here. So peas are bubble up, guys. It's my rice, my peas are bubble up. And what I did, I soaked my peas overnight. So when you soak it overnight, less than 25 minutes, your pea is supposed to ready. Yes, guys. So this is my mixture right here, and I'm gonna store it in the fridge. Yes, so whenever time I want to use, I have on my chicken still simmering over here, looking all beautiful. Over here, I'm gonna put some thyme into my peas, and I'm also gonna add my coconut milk now to the peas. So I'm using the Grace coconut milk, and I'm gonna use the powder. So what I did, I used warm water to get it dissolved. So over here, I'm gonna pour it in. Oh, I'm gonna mix it till it dissolves. It dissolves better into the warm water than if you just pour it inside of the pot or use cold water. So you see, there we got it. Pretty easy. Now it's over here. There you go. I'm gonna give this a little mixture. So I have my salt in, a little, like a teaspoon of oil, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is simmering. Now if you don't have any scallion, you can use a thyme alone, or you can just add just a cut of onion on it for flavor. So look at this, see how beautiful and rich, nice chocolate color. That's how you have your good up rice and peas. And to this pot I have 4.5 cup of water, and I'm gonna do 1.5 pounds of rice. Some rice are take difference. Like if you're doing the jasmine, it would be less because it's easier. I'm gonna do the parboiled rice, so that for me take a little bit longer. And this is how the parboiled rice look. I'm gonna pour it in. This is 1.5 pounds as I see. So I'm taking all of you. Washed, and I normally wash my rice 3 times. It's less starchy. You got the water not so white like if you were washing the white rice. So that's washing number 1. This is washing number 2. Let me waste my rice now. No. This is the final one, so we wash, ladle, and then we rinse in. This is the rinsing station of rice. I see. You can see it's a little bit clearer. That's it. There we go. So rice is. Make sure you drain off the water because you already have the water that you need in that pot to cook this rice. I'm gonna pour my rice. So I'm gonna give it a stir now that my rice is in. so I don't have all my peas sitting in one area. And some people say if you use spoon and stir rice, it will be soft. Nothing goes like that. You can use a spoon, you can use a fork, whatever you try. Now I'm gonna allow this to simmer. This might take 20 minutes to be honest. Yes, so it's gonna cover now, let things steam. This is simmering down, guys. Just let me see what's going on. Yes, beautiful. And this is peas and rice. Simmering very well and looking great too. At this point you can turn your heat down a little so it simmers slowly. And if you're cooking your rice and peas and you realize that the pot is burning, so what you do, you just take off the hot pot and you put it into a bowl of water at the bottom of the pot, and then you put it back on the fire and you're good to go. So that is it. Beautiful rice and peas simmering. And my rice and peas is done. Got it. Steam coming out, but it's done, guys. This is it. Bella sweet rice and peas. See? Shelly and nice. Very shelly and nice. Shelly and nice. So now I'm doing the chicken preparation, guys. Now I have a cup of flour in my bowl. I'm gonna add some seasoning to this. Most likely I want black pepper. That's what I need because my chicken already seasoned properly. So I'm adding some black pepper to my flour. That's it, just black pepper. That's all the seasoning I'll be needing for my flour. As I said, just some black pepper. I'm gonna mix this together, the black pepper with the flour. Make sure it's all combined together. And then I'm gonna put piece of my chicken in this. Chicken looks scrumptious and well set. There it is now. I'm gonna dip my chicken, get it prepared for the pot. And I'm not gonna let this well done. It's gonna be half done because I'm gonna put it in the oven, guys. Like I said, it's gonna be barbie fry. So it's a barbecue chicken done with barbie fry. Alright, so I'm about to prepare the sauce now, guys, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of white sugar, here I have a 2 tablespoons of white sugar in my vinegar, and I'm letting it dissolve a little. You see, I'm gonna make sure that my sugar is dissolved out properly. And then you can use tomato paste, you can use ketchup, you can use some ragu sauce. Normally, sometimes what I do the tomato, I blend it and then I just use the juice, but today I'm using my ragu sauce. And I've added this into the leftover season, guys, to make the sauce. I'm gonna add it to this pot right here, and then I'm gonna pour my vinegar and sugar together. It's all dissolved, guys. I'm gonna add them. There you go. Then I'm gonna mix it together. sure the thing dissolves out properly. And I'm gonna add some water. I did 2 small bowl of water. And then now I'm gonna put this on the stove and I'm gonna let it simmer down. Not all the way, but I'll show you. So till it become a little bit sticky because I'm gonna put it in the oven. So half the way. Here we go, guys. Check this way. It's almost done. So you see that the blood is drying off. Scrumptious and delicious. Ready one over here on top. Look good, guys. Looking good, looking fabulous. See the sauce over there, guys. My chicken into the baking pan. Get it ready for the oven. So this is my chicken in my baking pan, guys. And now I'm gonna add my sauce. Alright, so this is your sauce, sugar. See the texture? Yes, this is your sauce sugar going into your baking tin. I'm gonna pour it all over my chicken, and I'll leave this in the oven now for 10 minutes. Then it is my barbie fried chicken is ready. Look at it, guys. You see how beautiful this looks. So delicious and amazing. That's the look. So yummy already. So here we have it. This is the finishing product of my barbie fried chicken, guys. Amazing. I wish you was close by to get some. Look at it, guys. Beautiful Bella Sweet barbie fried chicken, and it's done with my own homemade sauce. Thing ready. Ready. We say ready. Here's my side dish, guys. So I'm having tomato with sweet corn and some slices of apple. Looking amazing. Side dish. This is my baby boy getting ready to eat up his chicken. He don't like veg a lot, so wow, look at that. Woo, yummy. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Wow. Over here is my baby girl Otesia, and over here is Nash, and they're enjoying their food. Wow. How is your food, guys?
Good. It's amazing.
Amazing. What? All right. This is the finishing. There you have it. That is Bella Sweet barbie fry. And over here you see my side dish already, guys. And now I'm gonna dive in. Amazing. And then I have my homemade apple and ginger. See my little cocktail drink, all done by Bella Sweet. Like I said, another good one. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, comments, and share. Peace.